In this video, I'll show you how to post a job on LinkedIn using the latest interface. First, log into your LinkedIn account and go to the Jobs section. Then, click Post a Free Job. You'll land on the Find Your Next Great Hire page. Start by entering the job title for the position you're hiring for. Next, type your company name. Then choose the workplace type. You can select on-site, remote, or hybrid, depending on your job setup. After that, add the job location where the role is based. Once all the details are filled in, click Continue. On the next page, you'll add the job description, skills, and applicant settings, and you can also include screening questions to filter candidates. Finally, review your job post and publish it. LinkedIn will then start showing your job to relevant professionals so you can begin receiving applications. And that's it. Your job post is now live on LinkedIn. If this video helped you learn how to post a job on LinkedIn, give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.